Welcome to the Winter Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create the tissue paper car. Begin by emptying your craft kit onto your work surface. You'll find an image of a car, some Q-tips, and colored tissue squares. You'll also need your glue from your winter box. Separate the tissue squares by color. The white will be the center of the tires. The black will be the tires themselves. The red will be the color of the car, and the yellow the windows. We'll begin with the white. Tightly crumple the white squares into balls. Carefully separate the tissue into single layers before you crumple them. Use the cotton swab to apply glue to the center of the tire. Place the white tissue balls onto the glue, being sure to press them down firmly and tightly together until you've completely covered the hub. You'll do the same for the other hub. There's a link in the description for a similar flexible cutting mat to protect the table, if you're interested. Next, we'll do the tires. So put the white tissue away and crumple up the black tissues into tight balls. Use the cotton swab to apply glue to the tire area. Then put the black tissue onto the glue, creating the tire. Be sure to fill in any gaps with tissue. There should be no white showing through. You'll do the same for the other tire. Now we'll work on the windows. So get your yellow tissue, once again crumple up a bunch of balls, then take the cotton swab and apply glue to the first window. I find it easier to crumple up a bunch of balls and put them on after I've glued a section, rather than glue and then crumple the balls and then glue and crumple the balls. But you can use whatever method you like. Instead of doing the second window, we're going to do the red in between the windows first, because it will be difficult to reach if we do both windows before we do the red. So set the yellow aside for now, crumple up some of the red tissue into balls. Carefully apply the glue on the center part between the windows. And put the red tissue paper on the part of the car between the windows. Being sure to press them down firmly and tightly together. I'll just put these extras on since I have them. Okay, now we'll do the other window using the same technique. It's very difficult to do with sticky fingers, so if you end up with glue on your fingertips, wash them. Be sure to dry them very well or your tissues will get wet, and that will make it difficult to crumple. Press and shape the tissue as you go along to be sure that they stick. I think it's time to change our cotton swab. You can see how the tip of it got swollen from the glue. Work your way around the top of the car, and then you can complete it in whichever section you like. All right, we're almost there. And there it is. Thanks for watching.